Ding, ding, ding. I need some help.
Well, it's nice to see you, but what are you doing here? You're supposed to be painting.
I need a guard for my spray gun. We're doing some interior spraying. I need a Bedford 7/8 guard if you got one.
Not a Titan or a Tritec?
Bedford's a little bit cheaper, so and they're all the same. So give me a Bedford 7/8, but just make sure it's 7/8 and not 11/16.
This one is.
Just put it on my account.
I can do that, and we have drinks, so get yourself a cold drink, and if you need anything else today, I can deliver.
Cool, thank you. I'll grab a drink. So I'm going to go over guards really quick. I get asked a lot of questions about guards and can I use a Titan guard with my Titan or with my Bedford tips, or a Titan guard with Tritec tips, you know, et cetera, et cetera. Now, here's a bunch of different guards. I've got Bedford guards, Titan guards. This is an old Titan guard right here. Tritec guards are gray, just look just like this. Now, all the tips, just to try to make it really simple and easy, Tritec, Titan, Bedford tips, they're all interchangeable with each other's guards. The only time you're really going to run into an issue is if you have a Graco Rack X guard, these blue guards right here. This is a proprietary guard that uses only Rack X tips. I can't take this guard and put a Tritec tip in this guard. I can't put a Titan tip in this guard, nor can I put a Bedford tip in this guard. If you get a Graco orange guard, that's a Rack 5 guard. All the tips, Tritec, Bedford, and Titan will all go in a Graco Rack 5 orange guard, kind of just to sum it all up. At Paint Life Supply Co., these Tritec, Titan, and Bedford tips are sold there, and they're all interchangeable with each other's guards, and it makes it simple and easy. If you end up purchasing, you know, Graco guards, that's one reason I don't like these guards, is you're stuck with having to buy Rack X tips to go along with the guards, and I don't think the tips wear as well and last as long as all the other tips, nor do I think they give you as good of a finish as some of the other tips out there.
What are you doing here, mister? You're supposed to be painting.
It's 105 degrees outside. It's hot. I really don't feel like being outside, but I do need to buy, you already have it in your hand.
I can get that for you.
Cool.
If you need anything else at the job site, I'll deliver.
Okay. You're not going to ring that. You're supposed to ring it up.
No, I don't ring it
No,
up.
you ring it up. Say, do you want it on your account?
On
you can't
our
just hand
account?
it to me.
I can. I'll take it out of inventory.